Hi, my name is Payal and I am from the Management Study Guides content team. Welcome to the course Network Security. FineTech Inc., a software company based in the US, develops software for its clients across the world. All staff has equal access to the internet and they spend their leisure time by visiting social media and other sites. One day, the employees clicked on an exciting pop-up which appeared on their screen and installed the software. It was a malware disguised as harmless software, and the hacker intended to get the software installed in the systems and steal the information. The hackers targeted the organization and stole all the confidential information like intellectual property, software coding, employee details, and financial details. After hacking all the information and stealing the data, they sold it to their competitors in the market and made a huge sum out of it. Once it's on your system, malware has one goal: communicate back to the attackers who sent it. Malware doesn't work alone. It takes orders from command and control servers hidden throughout the internet. Attackers generally use the DNS, domain name system, to have their malware map a domain to an IP address. This helps them control their victims and ensure persistent access. Signs that could mean your system has been penetrated: antivirus software disabled, unfamiliar software has been installed, random pop-ups, internet searches are redirected, passwords have been changed, mouse moves by itself. Let us now see how to prevent it. Update antivirus software, download only from trusted sources, be vigilant with email attachments, never visit questionable sites, maintain your passwords, try not to use free Wi-Fi. Let's go through the course objectives and let's begin. What is a network? What is a network security? Next, networking fundamentals. Next, let's take a look at the types of network security. Next, types of network security attacks. Next, let's look at network security policy and architecture. Next, let's understand hardware and software security. Next, let's learn about database and information system security. Now, let's take a look at web and wireless security. Next, let's take a look at network management. Finally, let's take a look at network security process. Let's now look at the purpose of a network. Computer networks serve a number of purposes, some of which include: purpose number 1, communications such as email, instant messaging, chat rooms, etc. Purpose number 2, shared hardware, data and information through the use of shared storage devices. Purpose number 3, shared software, which is achieved by running applications on remote computers. Network security consists of the policies and practices adopted to prevent and monitor unauthorized access, misuse, modification, or denial of a computer network and network accessible resources. Network security involves the authorization of access to data in a network, which is controlled by the network administrator. Users choose or are assigned an ID and password or other authenticating information that allows them to access to information and programs within their authority. Network layer. This layer provides switching and routing technologies, creating logical paths known as virtual circuits for transmitting data from node to node. Routing and forwarding are functions of this layer, as well as addressing, internetworking, error handling, congestion control, and packet sequencing. Examples include AppleTalk DDP, IP, IPX. There are various types of network security, such as network access control, NAC, application security, antivirus, email security, wireless security, Click each type to learn more. Number 2 is man-in-the-middle attack. A MITM attack occurs when a hacker inserts it between the communications of a client and a server. Here are some common types of man-in-the-middle attacks: session hijacking, IP spoofing, replay. Let's look at principles of security. Web application security aims to address and fulfill the 4 conditions of security, also referred to as principles of security: confidentiality, integrity, availability, non-repudiation. Let us look at each in detail. Education. The education of employees is one of the most important parts of managing information security risk. Without employee knowledge and commitment, any attempts at managing risk will fail. Best practices recommend that education take 3 forms. Number 1, preventative measures. Number 2, enforcement measures. Number 3, incentive measures. Click on each card to learn more. With every course, you get to view the course content online, download the PowerPoint presentation, and get the course completion certificate. With new courses added regularly, we offer you a continuous learning platform. Join our premium membership plan and get access to unlimited courses. All our plans are backed up by 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied, we'll give you a full refund. We are so confident that you will enjoy the membership that we are willing to let you try at our risk, not yours.